So I have this old microphone that I've had in my basement for a couple of years now. Only thing is it doesn't really work. It has no internals, so I'm using this small Hollyland Lark M2. So I had this idea of why not try and design and create some mount for putting this inside here, just to have the possibility of using it as a handheld microphone, because I just like the feeling of that. So let's design and print it on my 3D printer here and see what we can make. I actually already did this last night, but follow along. So first things first, we gotta disassemble the microphone. Here we see the old capsule. So first things first, we gotta disassemble the old. So first things first, we gotta take it apart. This is the original capsule, which we're gonna take out and replace with our 3D print. Now to get this out, I need to unscrew the bottom. Pull this up. Then we have a little O-ring here, which I'll just grab with my pick. And then we can just slide this off. Then on each side here, we have two small screws. And then we can just yank this out. Like that. Then from here we can start looking at measuring the inside here, measuring the capsule in order to find the dimensions of our 3D print. So here we end up with this right here. Hopefully you can see. So we have the small microphone here, which we just snap on like that. And then we have the screw holes down here. So hopefully it works pretty simple. So let's get it printed. This is the 3D print, cleaned up, supports removed. So now we just have to put it in place of the capsule. So in the end, we came out to this small mount put in place of the original microphone capsule. For this, you can just take the little microphone, put one side in here, and put the other side here. Oh. This. Then we just screw it back. And now it should work as a handheld microphone. So I don't know what I use this for, maybe for using in my videos, but it's pretty fun. So thank you for watching.